welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are doing our Boxycharm unboxing. I have here my Boxycharm for the month of December. I'm going to be sharing with you guys all of the products that came inside this month's box. We'll do swatches and I'll show you all of the products. We'll add up the value and see if it's worth it. So if that sounds good, why don't we go ahead and get started. Alright, so I got my red lip on. I'm all festive and ready to see what came inside of the December Boxycharm. If you guys are new to my Boxycharm unboxings, I do this every single month here on my channel. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service. It is $25 a month and you receive five to six full-size items inside of every single box. So this month is the second month with it being $25. So I'm very curious to see how they have improved it and to see what products we are getting because they did go ahead and up the value on the box, which is good. So let's go ahead and see what we got. So the theme this month is whimsy, and here is the card right here. My variation says number 8. You guys always ask me there in the corner. It does say variation number 8. So let's go ahead and start digging out some of the products. So up first here, it looks like we have a palette. It says Fairytale Storybook Cosmetics. I have heard of this brand before, but I've never tried anything from them. So let's go ahead and open it up. So here is what it looks like. Very, very cute packaging. It's like a little book. You can actually put it up like this, which is really, really cute. And this is a palette, I believe. On the inside, we do have a mirror. And then it has 6 different eyeshadows right there. Super cute. I love the packaging. I think it's really fun. If you're someone who doesn't love like bulky packaging, this might not be something for you because it is pretty bulky for what you're getting, but I think it would be really cute like displayed up here. So this one says that it is the Little Red Riding Hood version. I'm not sure if there are different versions of the books, but I think this is really cute. So again, you get 6 different shades. They look pretty wearable. I'll go ahead and swatch them so you guys can see what the formula looks like. I have never tried this brand, like I said, so I'm not exactly sure to the quality of this, but it does look like a nice palette. So here are swatches of all 6 of the shades. They actually swatched really, really nicely. I am surprised though at how similar some of these are. Like these 3 right here almost they look pretty close, at least these 2 do. One's a shimmer and one is a matte. And then we have the other matte. So it looks like we have 3 shimmers and 3 mattes in the palette, but they do look very, very promising. They look very pigmented. And again, this is kind of like a neutral palette. I feel like you get, more neutral tones with this, but also some fun looks with like the red and stuff. So I think this is a really cute palette. Let's go ahead and see the value on this one. So the price on this one is going to be $35 for the palette. Okay, up next in our box, we have something from Suffreen Botanicals. I've never heard of this. So this is a Donkian and Dreams lip exfoliator. So here is what that looks like. It's kind of a different product. I don't remember ever getting a lip exfoliator before. So the price on this one is $24. I'll go ahead and pull it out so we can see what the consistency of it looks like. I'm just gonna put a little bit out here. See if it has a scent to it. It has a little bit of like a fruity scent. And here is what the texture of it looks like. It's definitely a thicker exfoliator. Again, it has a very fruity, like almost smells like candy or like strawberries. And there again is what that looks like. So it's just gonna be a lip exfoliator. That's something different to get in here. I feel like we don't normally get that type of product. So I don't mind that. It's actually a good size too. Again, that was $24 for that. So up next in here, we have a product from Ciate London. I do really like this brand. I feel like they have a lot of really nice products. This is an illuminating blusher. And the shade that I have here is Marbled Light. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. It is a full size, really cute packaging. And I'll go ahead and give it, ooh, it's like a marbled blush. Obviously, it says marbled blush, but I didn't know what it would look like. It kind of reminds me of like an Hourglass product. Like it kind of looks like that. It does feel satiny. It doesn't feel like too, ooh, it has a bit of a glow to it. I'm gonna give a little bit more of a layer. That actually looks really pretty. You can see it has like a tiny, tiny bit of sheen to it, but nothing too intense to where it's gonna like put shimmer or anything on your face. This feels really, really buttery, like it's gonna layer well too. I'm actually really excited about that. I've been really into blush lately and it's like a really neutral, pretty pink color. Love this. So the price on that one is $28. Again, that's a really pretty product. I like that it has a mirror as well. So far, I'm pretty impressed with this box. We have 2 more products left. So we have something from the Brow Bar. This is their True Brow Makeover Kit. Okay, here is what that looks like. It's in a gold packaging. The price on this brow bar is $30. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Okay, so here is the brow bar kit right here. So I have 3 different products. It looks like 2 powders and a cream, and then also like a little brush right there. And then we also have a little styling gel. So let's go ahead and open the gel and see what the wand on here looks like. So it definitely does have a tint to it. I'll go ahead and see if I can give you a little swatch. It's like a brown. So there is a swatch of the brow gel. And then we have 3 different other products in here. I don't love like powder necessarily. I'm not really sure why this one's in here. It almost looks like a blue. I'm not really sure why you would put that in your brows. The brown looks nice. It's a really odd color for like a brow palette, I feel like, but I'll go ahead and swatch so you guys can see. Yeah, so it's almost like a gray. So there's the first one, the brown, and then the like more blonde brown. This one is the cream product. That's an interesting combination, I feel like, for a brow, you know, palette. I don't know if I love this because I feel like I personally won't get use out of these colors, but if this is a color that you typically use for your brows, maybe you'll like this. And having something like so small and compact. Again, the price on that one was $30. And then we have one last product in here, and this is from Elemis. This is the Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. It says that it is an anti-aging for fine lines and wrinkles, and it's going to soothe, nourish, and smooth. So here is the packaging on that one. This one is $79. Wow, this is a pricey little thing. For some reason, I didn't think Elemis's products were that, like I knew they were pricey, but I didn't know they were that pricey. So here is what that looks like. It actually looks really nice. So again, this is a collagen oil, so a rose facial oil. I'll go ahead and put a little out so you can see. I'm just gonna mix it up. And this would be something I would use like in the morning, maybe at night as well. I don't think it's really gonna have, yeah, it's just a clear serum. I do like the dropper though. Here is what it looks like right here. Let's see if it smells. Yeah, it definitely has a smell of like rose in it. And we'll see how this one works. It doesn't really seem like it's doing much, but I think that this is one more so that you're gonna need to see over time. It doesn't look like too glowy or anything. Possibly something you can wear under makeup. It says massage 3 to 4 drops over face and neck. So it doesn't really say if you can apply it like before makeup, but you might be able to with it being in oil. So this is cool to get. It's got, again, a high price tag on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add up the total value of the box so we can get into if we think it's a good value this month. So my box is totaling $194 for all of the products on the inside. And to summarize, we did get the eyeshadow palette, the lip exfoliator, we got the rose facial oil, we also got the marbled blush, which is really pretty, and then we got the brow bar. So for me personally, I feel like this is a good box. I like the palette, and I really like the blush. The rest of the products, I mean, I'm excited to try this oil, and then I'm also excited about the lip exfoliator. So I like that we got like a variation, not just all makeup. We got some skincare this month. I'm not crazy about this brow bar. I don't know that I'll personally use it, but if you're into something like this, it's totally a good option in here. I definitely think you're getting your values worth this month. I think we have a lot of really nice products in here, at least in my variation. You guys will have to comment down below and let me know what you got inside of your Boxycharm this month. Thank you so much for watching. I will have the link to sign up for Boxycharm down below in case you're interested, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.